Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a multi-boot USB using Ventoy. So you can install Windows or Linux easily from the same USB drive without formatting it again and again. This method is simple, beginner friendly and saves a lot of time. Before we start, if you're new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming tech tutorials. Now let's get started. First of all, open any web browser on your PC. In the search bar, type Ventoy and press enter. Now open the official GitHub website of Ventoy from the search results to make sure you are downloading the genuine and latest version. From here, click on the latest release section. Now scroll down until you find the Ventoy Windows zip file and click on it. The downloading will start automatically. After the download is complete, navigate to the folder where you saved the zip file. Right-click on it and click Extract to extract all the files. Now right-click on the file named Ventoy 2 disk and select Run as administrator to avoid permission issues. Then insert your USB drive into your computer. Ventoy will automatically detect your USB drive. Now click on the Install button. It will ask for confirmation. Type yes and click OK. Then it will show a warning saying that all of your data will be deleted from the USB drive. Simply click yes to continue. Make sure you back up any important data before this step. Now it will start installing Ventoy on your USB drive. After the installation is complete, your USB drive will automatically be renamed to Ventoy. Now I hope you have already downloaded your Windows or Linux ISO files. Simply copy the ISO files and paste them directly into the USB drive. You do not need to extract them, just copy and paste the ISO files as they are. It totally depends on your USB drive storage capacity how many ISO files you can add. If you want to use more than 2 ISO files, then you should use a USB drive larger than 16 GB, such as 32 GB or 64 GB for better flexibility. After copying the ISO files, restart your PC. Now press F2 to enter BIOS settings. Inside BIOS, find the Secure Boot option. If Secure Boot is enabled, disable it because it can prevent Ventoy from booting properly. Then click Apply and Exit to save changes. Now press your PC boot key. For example, mine is F12, but your boot key may be different. You can search your motherboard model on Google to find your correct boot key. From the boot menu, select your USB drive. Now you will see that the Ventoy bootloader runs successfully. From here, select the ISO file, either Windows or Linux, that you want to install. Then choose boot in normal mode. It will start the installation process. As you can see, it successfully runs the Windows 11 installation. Now let's try Linux. Follow the same steps as you did for Windows 11. Select the Linux ISO file from the Ventoy menu, and you can see that the Ubuntu Linux installation has started successfully. This tool is very useful because you can also store your normal data files inside the same USB drive along with ISO files. Ventoy allows you to boot multiple ISO files without formatting the USB again and again, which makes it very convenient and time saving. If this video helps you, make sure to like it and click subscribe for more latest updates and helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.